Hello everyone. You're looking at a bed step in the back of a 2021 Ram. And I'm going to show you how to deal with that wiring harness connector that's in the way that you're going to need to remove in order to put the step on. So let me climb under there and show you what I'm talking about. Here's a shot of that harness connector that you're going to have to remove. The purpose of removing this is so you can bolt up your step and it's out of the way. You may want to rewire it after, refish the wire in a new spot after. You may not have to, but it's definitely in the way when you want to put the step on and bolt it up. So this connector has a small bracket and it's got a plastic push pin that's holding it on. And I'd recommend just leaving this on because it's being held, so you have one less hand to deal with. On the top of the bracket you have a plastic turnbuckle, a white buckle on top. Now if I move my camera this way, you see a red switch right here. You want to take that red switch and you want to pull it down. Pull it towards the back of the vehicle and you heard a little click. At the base of the red button you see a little piece of plastic. You want to push that down. Right there. You heard it engage. Now all you do is you grab that turnbuckle, pull it forward. As you turn it forward, the connector comes apart. It's held together by a little, it's in a track right here. That's how it kind of like forces it to unplug and holds it together. You want to reassemble it. Put the metal part back into the put it into the connector. Slide that white connector forward till it clicks. And take that red button and push it forward. And that's it. New kind of connector, but it's easy to deal with. Well, I hope I helped somebody out. Thanks for watching.